can't save people when I want to be saved. Yeah. Them will bring you down.
Vybz Kartel shared a sober message of advice, making it clear that not everyone wants to be saved. He acknowledged that people don't have to take his advice, but he still felt compelled to issue the warning. His message is simple and heavy with truth. If you try to rescue people who refuse help, they can end up pulling you down with them.
You can't save people when I want to be saved. Yeah. Them will bring you down. When you try to save them, them will bring you down. Because they don't want to be saved. They may say they want to be saved. People love talk. People just talk out of their mouth because they have a mouth. But always remember that in any relationship, whether it's a romantic relationship, it's a friendship, I could have family, I could have your mother, I could have your father, your sisters, your brother. If somebody don't want to be saved, you can't save them. But guess what them can do? Them can drag you down. So you stretch out for help, them can pull you down. So just be careful. A word to the wise. Can't remember the one on the smart and then I need my advice, but you don't know. I'm out.
Sometimes wisdom isn't about forcing change. It's about recognizing when to step back and protect your own peace. In Kartel's words, a word to the wise: